In the past, leaders were told we live in a VUCA world, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous. But today, that's no longer enough to describe reality. The world has evolved. We now live in a Bani world, brittle, anxious, non-linear, and incomprehensible. And if leaders don't adapt, they will simply be left behind. Let's break it down. Systems, businesses, and even reputations that look strong can shatter overnight. Think of global supply chains during COVID. They seemed robust until one small break caused a collapse. People, from employees to customers, are living with constant stress and uncertainty. This anxiety changes how they make decisions, how they trust, and how they follow leaders. Cause and effect are no longer proportional. Small actions can have massive, unexpected consequences, and big efforts can lead to nothing. The speed, volume, and complexity of change make it impossible to fully understand everything, even with data, AI, and experts. Sometimes you just can't make perfect sense of the chaos. Now here's the shift. Bani leadership transforms each challenge into a response. Against brittleness, leaders build resilience. Against anxiety, leaders create empathy and psychological safety. Against non-linearity, leaders embrace agility and experimentation. Against incomprehensibility, leaders practice clarity and sense-making. Let's break this down as a leadership toolkit. Don't depend on one plan or one skill set. Have backups. Train adaptability. Prepare for disruption. In a world full of anxiety, leaders who listen, care, and support mental well-being become the ones who win people trust. Forget rigid 5 years plan. Run small, fast experiments, adjust quickly, and let teams innovate. Even when you can't simplify reality, you can clarify direction, purpose, and priorities for your people. The Bani world is not going away, but Bani leadership means you don't just survive it, you thrive in it. You become the calm in the storm, the guide in the unknown, and the bridge between chaos and opportunity. As per many successful business leaders, leadership in the Bani era is about learning to let go of certainty, of perfection, of outdated models, and stepping into the unknown with courage, compassion, and clarity. I am Gibran Bashir, and this is JB Leadership Insights from the JBLI channel. In the Bani world, your leadership is not just tested, it's transformed. Lead with resilience, empathy, agility, and clarity, and watch the impossible become possible.